Muffins coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manoilevich. Today it is all about cheese and corn muffins. They're gonna go really well with a huge pot of chili. I'm finishing chili and these muffins are fantastic. The chili recipe, click up here if you want to reference that. But right now, it's all about this very straightforward, very flavorful muffin recipe. To begin, we're gonna turn our oven on to 375 degrees and I'm placing 4 tablespoons of butter on the back vent of the stovetop because the butter needs to be melted for the recipe. While the oven comes to temperature and that butter melts, I want you to take a 12-cup muffin tin and lightly grease it, set it to the side. Now you're going to assemble your dry ingredients. I have 1 cup unbleached all-purpose flour, half a cup stone ground cornmeal. You need 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. Do half a teaspoon of salt, a heaping, check it out, teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of cayenne. We're gonna stir those dry ingredients together. Get a large bowl, we're adding 1 cup of milk, crack an egg into that, whisk in your melted butter. Now whisk in those dry ingredients, don't overmix, we're done with our whisk. Last ingredient, a 1.5 cups of grated sharp cheddar. We're gonna add 1 cup of the cheddar into the mix, stir it together. Now we spoon that cheesy, corny muffin mix into the muffin cups. Remember that 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar we held back. We're gonna do a little sprinkle across the top of the muffin tin, transfer to the oven. I think 12 minutes will do the trick. They're gonna puff up, smell really fantastic. They'll come out of the oven, let them cool a little bit, and then you can dig in. Now, if you want to reference this whole recipe, head to weekendatthecottage.com, subscribe to our website, look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel. Lastly, you can find us on your favorite social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I'm not gonna wait for the chili to be done. They come out of the tin without problem, and then when you break them open, you can see, if you've got a little bit of butter, you wanna put some butter on this. Just saying, one thing for sure, you are gonna love our cheesy corn muffins. Until next time, enjoy. I wish I had some chili.